program to find the area of a triangle when the sides are given. Now let's assume the sides as A, B and C. The formula to calculate the area of triangle is area equals under root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Here S is A plus B plus C by 2. And in order to implement this, we will be using the math library function square root. Okay, let's code this. Find the area of the triangle when sides are given. Okay, for this I'll use the math library function. So let's include that math.h. So we need to store the three numbers. So let's take it as A, B and C. Let's take one more variable S and area. And enter the sides of triangle. Let's take all the numbers together. Okay, we're gonna store this as A, B and C. All right, now here once we do the calculation, the value need not be an int, so better let's take this as double. So if we take it as double, it will be LF. All right, now let's calculate the S first. S is basically A plus B plus C divided by 2. Then area is the square root. So sqrt is the function square root of S multiplied by S minus A, then multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. And then we're going to print it as area of triangle is percentage LF area. Okay, I think this should work. Let's try. GCC area of dot C. Okay, no errors. Yeah, 13 is available. Let's execute this. And does the sides 3, 4, 5? It is 6. Absolutely great. But here you see that there are so many zeros are coming. So if I want only 2 zeros, probably I'll do it as 0.2. When you get as 0.2, it will give only, it will go until only 2 decimals. So let's compile, then execute 3, 4, 5, 6.00. Great.